If you are interested in how I made 1, 2, 3 password lists, stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Keita and I have an interesting video for you guys. I want to say thank you to my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate you helping me to grow my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I make a password list. And I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well as subscribe to my channel so that you never miss another upload from me. Today I'm going to be using a ruler as well as some Paper Mate ink pens, and I'm just going to use the black one as well as the purple. And I have a ruler that I got in a set of 3 from the Dollar Tree, and I just have some colored paper here just so I'll be able to keep up with everything. If you're ready, let's get started. I'm going to place password right here in the middle. I'm going to actually put password list. Just like so. And guys, you can use Post-it notes or sticky notes or whatever you would like. Be as creative as you would like with your password list, okay? Where I am a college student, I have a lot of passwords to keep up with, so that's why I'm making mine today. And I'm actually going to use this line here to start out with. I'm going to go all the way across, make a line just like so. And I'll need 3 columns. I'm going to need one for my place for the actual website, as well as my password or my actual login and my password. So that should be enough room for me. And guys, you don't have to use colored paper like this. You can use regular paper. You can use whatever you have. You can use like regular college rule paper, white rule paper, or some colored paper or regular white paper. It just depends. And I got this from Walmart, and it's the Astro Brights. And you can use this for your college passwords, your work passwords, anything that you would need a password for, your shopping online, anything like that. You'll be able to use this for. And I'm going to turn this way because I am right-handed, and I just have some regular paper behind this because I can't write with no paper underneath. And I think I'm going to use purple for this. And there you have it. That's what I'm going to do. So switch pens. I'm gonna draw a straight line. And there you have it, guys. This is what it looks like completed. And if you don't like it this way, you can do it this way. You can be as creative as you like. I'm just going to write password list up top. And then I'm going to draw a box around it. And then I'm going to write April 2020. And then I'm going to draw another line. And by the way, these are my favorite pens. I think I want it this thick. And I'm going to leave those open. And I'm going to go back through, I'm going to go back through this right here. I'm going to do like some chevron. And that's pretty enough for me. And that's what I got so far. And then I'm going to draw another box underneath this one. Switch back to black. My passwords aren't that long, so I can go all the way over to the P on this one. And here's another one. I'll show you how to do one on regular paper as well. I think I'll use yellow, orange this time. I'll just have some regular colored computer paper. And since I'm unable to do like fancy lettering and things like that, I use stencils. So I'm going to use some lettering stencils. And I got these from Walmart. And they come like this. And I use these. And I'm going to use the one like this that has the letters on it. And I might use this one as well as this one. But I'm not exactly sure just yet which one I'm going to use, but I know I'm going to use this one. I need something to drink. That was good. That was just water. Hydrate yourself. I'm just going to place password in the middle. And I'm just using some little page flags. And go in and make boxes as well. And if you have like stickers or anything, you can use those. And I have some from the Dollar Tree as well that I picked up, and I think that I'm going to use these. And it comes in 2 sheets, like so. And I'm going to use this long strip here at the bottom. That's the one that I'm going to use. And I'm going to place this in the middle of all 3. Well, make sure that it's where you wanted it before it gets down on the paper. There we go. I'm going to use this one as well that says important. And it's purple, but and that's all I'm going to put on that one. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you liked the video and that you gained something from this video. I hope my video was helpful to you all, because if you are like myself, I have tons and tons of passwords that I have to keep up with, and being a college student is a lot of passwords. And like like I said, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.